Ever wondered why professional athletes swear by TRX training? This simple suspension system can transform your fitness game in ways you never imagined. When traditional workouts hit a wall, TRX offers a game-changing solution through its adjustable straps and gravity-defying movements. By simply modifying the strap length, you create different angles that challenge your muscles in entirely new ways. The beauty lies in how these adjustments activate deeper muscle fibers, particularly in your core, while simultaneously improving flexibility across multiple joints. Studies show that TRX users experience up to 30% more muscle activation compared to traditional bodyweight exercises. The secret: your body constantly works to maintain stability while suspended, engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. For those stuck in a fitness plateau, varying your strap length and body position can reignite progress and break through stubborn barriers. Ready to level up your workout? Drop a comment with your favorite TRX move.